Hey guys, this week we are going to build a simple preset using just the front panel. All right, let's dive in. The FX3 comes with 340 presets installed. Your first empty preset should either be 384 or 385. I've got a few others installed, so my first empty preset is 390. You go down there, then you press enter. Now press the B knob, which is labeled layout. Press the A knob to zoom out to see the entire grid or preset layout. There are 14 blocks per row from left to right. We're assuming that you're using input 1 and output 1. Tab to the first block on the second line if you're not there already. Turn the value knob until it says in 1. Now hold down the enter button to highlight all 14 blocks in this row. You can see that the line connects each block. It's called a shunt. Think of that as the patch cable between each block. In the last box in that row, turn the value knob until it says out 1, and then press enter. If you strum your guitar, you should get the direct clean signal. Go to the 7th block and turn the value knob until it says amp 1. Then hit enter. Now you hit the edit button, and that brings up the list of 289 amps. I'm going to go for the 2-stone J35. Press enter, then press exit. See, now you're getting a crunchy signal, but we need a cab. So, tab over to the 8th block, use the value knob to select cab. Hit enter, then hit edit, and for some reason it defaults to 1x4 pig nose. We're not doing that. Use the value knob to change factory 1 to factory 2, then tab down to the number, and then turn the value knob. I chose number 60, which is based on a Marshall 1966B 2x12 cab mic'd with a Shure SM57. Press exit to get back to the grid. Now this setup gives you a nice crunchy tone, but if you'd like to beef it up a bit, you can add a drive block before the amp block. Go to the 5th block and then use the value knob to select the drive block. Press enter, then press edit. And it brings up a list of the 57 different pedals that you can choose from. I am choosing the Compulsion Distortion LP. Now press exit to get back to the grid. So right now you might be thinking that your tone is a bit on the dry side, so we can add a delay block after the amp block. Go to the 10th block, and then use the value knob to choose the delay block. Delay 1, press enter, then press edit, which brings up the list of 21 different delay types that you can choose from. I chose ducking delay because right now we're not changing any of the other parameters and this one doesn't muck things up. So press exit to get back to the grid. Okay, you know, a little bit more sweetening won't hurt, right? So we can add a reverb block right after the delay block. Go to the 11th block and use the value knob to choose the reverb. Press enter, then press edit, which brings up the list of 54 different reverb types that you can choose from. I'm going with studio. Press enter, and then press exit to get back. Okay, we haven't adjusted any of the other parameters on any of the blocks. We'll get into that later. This is just a quick and easy preset. Okay, now you press Store, and that brings up the Store page. Press the down arrow to get to the preset. You turn the B knob to move the cursor. So we'll start here, and let's see. So C knob selects uppercase letters, the D knob selects lowercase letters, the E knob selects numbers. So let's just call this preset 1. Now the value knob selects all the characters, including symbols, and you can use up to 31 characters in a preset name. So you press enter, and it says, do you want to overwrite the preset? You press enter, and now you press home. And the new preset is loaded. You have just saved your first preset. Hey guys, let me know in the comments section if you have any other questions on the FX3. All right, see you next Friday.